solution platform for your specific business problems is. Are you being forced to cut cake with sword? A subscription-based approach based on a pre-built platform EMF cuts down costs tremendously. An approach that enables application-by-application subscription allows you to just address your specific problem on subscription basis. How disruptive is your new project initiative? Are you able to fire and forget a requirement, or is it a disruptive process? KPF approach to offer a generic solution as a product, developing outside of your organization activities and offering for subscription means there is very little disruption. How about gaining freedom from managing complexity of executing projects? Have you considered how much of your business focus is drained on non-core areas? KPF is focused on delivering business value, hiding details of implementation complexity of the solution, because it uses pre-built EMF platform takes the approach to build a generic solution. This means you identify and specify what is needed for your business and then see the solution that delivers value, cutting out the pain of dealing with complexity for you. Can you have your cake and eat it too? How about getting your problem solved without having to solve with capital outlays and risk? A subscription-based approach delivered on a platform takes out the risk, capital outlays of licenses, hardware and skills, while you still get the business value delivered. Do you feel locked in by your technology vendors? Once project is done, it's just the beginning of your lock-in and dependence to technology vendors with high exit barriers. KPF offers generic solutions in multi-tenancy, but single-tenancy for data. Thus, subscription-based approach with ownership of data that lies with you means your exit barriers stand significantly lowered. How would you like to first see solution in action before committing? An inexpensive shared cost pilot that lets you evaluate fitness before you entrust your business process rather than a solution picture on paper. KPF uses a structured approach by evaluating your requirements and then defining a pilot phase where you can see solution in action before making wholesale changes to your processes. How easy is it for you to exit from your application? With a policy of terminating subscription, can you find anything easier? Because of subscription approach, where data is wholly owned by you, KPF provides an easy exit option with export of data for your continuity, thus lower exit barriers significantly. You wanted all analytics, UI, workflows, user authorization, but are you forced to introduce features gradually because of cost? An option that delivers value to add features, not only core. Is it what you look for? EMF comes bundled with various technologies that enable solutions to cover various features including alerting, workflows, drill-down reports and mashups, mobile apps etc., thus enabling to introduce a feature-rich solution from the word go. Do you have a need to introduce strong authorization framework for your incoming data? Data generated on field needs to follow strict authorization framework do you have in place? EMF provides a built-in authorization framework that enables data-level authorizations to be defined for various users, thus providing a strong, pre-built authorization framework that can be readily used for solutions without coding. The features enable authorizations that restrict at data level what kind of data is accepted by the solution, who gets to send what data, and via what protocol, thus providing a feature-rich pre-built platform to implement any level of authorizations. Are you looking to leverage tremendous field information from your field workforce? EMF delivers strong productized framework to build business solutions from field data with strong controls on data quality. EMF has a strong focus to support multiple protocols for inbound data collection including mobile channels, thus supporting your enterprise mobility objectives from the word go. Do you need to turn your field events into actionable intelligence without the pain, risk, capital outlay of executing complex project? EMF delivers a strong platform over which we can quickly assemble a pilot over the wall to you. The focus of EMF to provide mobility, accessibility to a wide field force with strong pre-built data filtering, reporting, and alerting functions delivers power to you by serving as eyes and ears via your field force that you always desired and deserved. Is dubious quality of your field data impeding quality of your decision-making process? EMF delivers out-of-box gatekeeper framework to control authorization and validation of incoming data, thereby ensuring only correct, authorized data gets into the decision-making reports and operational alerts. EMF provides pluggability of validation and enrichment rules in the system before the data is processed as validated data, thus enabling a strong pre-built layer to control quality of data at source before it can be used as basis of decision-making. Can you control access of data by report type to your users? Often types of report available on demand need out-of-box authorization control system. Controlling access to sensitive reports for different type of users is an inbuilt capability of EMF. UI development, the time sucker? With ready framework to deliver the rendering, EMF cuts out the expensive UI development by substantial portion. EMF uses a unique approach where bulk of the UI is pre-built in a UI framework and functions regardless of the solution. The framework provides sockets for solution-specific screens to be plugged in. Thus UI development time is significantly reduced and limited to writing solution-specific individual pages rather than having to design a detailed UI framework. Does your solution require rules-based configurable system behavior? EMF delivers strong rule framework to enable you to control system behavior on the fly. EMF uses a rules engine with a UI that provides ability to support configurable system behavior on demand. Examples are changing the thresholds for alerting, etc. Do you need to meter usage by department? EMF delivers a strong billing framework with metering concept by volume as well as assets access. EMF comes packaged with a sophisticated billing engine, which among other things enables billing setup according to volume of events, users, queries, etc. Thus EMF can support scenarios for departmental metering for cost allocation. Would you like flexibility of getting your specific business problem solved while getting support like a commercial application? Get the best mix of build and buy, get commercial application built to your needs. Because of KPF approach to productize applications with generic use, EMF enables a powerful proposition where your requirements-driven application benefits from enhancements, support as a product, thus giving you best of both worlds, custom requirement and support of a product. To know more, visit www.kpfactors.com or email us at info@kpfactors.com.